If you didn't have food partnerships like is being developed here, you'd have to develop them.
Today is about bringing all of our food partnerships together with their steering groups, and it's great that we've got Welsh Government here, we've got Public Health Wales here, but we've also got local public bodies here as well, so that we can have a really robust discussion about what needs to happen for us to enable change in our food system.
A food resilient society needs the top, central government, it needs meso, middle layer, and it needs us at the local level. Unless we get that working together, we won't have a resilient society. And for me, this meeting is a very important symbol of what's happening in Wales. Whether they're at the farm end or the urban end, it's about realising there's a shared challenge now, and that's very important.
Mae fe'n bwysig iawn I gael gyfle I cwrdd â cyrff cyhoeddus, awdurdodau lleol, byrddau iechyd, ac wrth gwrs partneriaethau bwyd lleol a'r sector gwirfoddol I sgwrsiau ynglyn â bwyd ac I meddwl beth dyn ni moyn wneud yn termau strategaeth lleol, rhanbarthol a chenedlaethol ynglyn â meddwl ynglyn â bwyd yn yr hir dymor a byw gwaith pawb I mynd i'r afael hefo bwyd yng Nghymru.
So I think it's been a really exciting day because the food system is so huge, but what we've got is the spectrum of people who are involved, who are part of that system. Food resilience is not just about sustainable food, but it is that healthy food. We really need to make sure that we're getting that access to healthy food.
My key message today is to celebrate everything that we've achieved so far and to look forward and see how together we can move forward to really change the food system for the better in Wales.
My wish for today really is that everybody goes away with a new contact, a new idea for how to take forward the food system both in their local area but also to contribute to the bigger picture here in Wales. If we can get those connections between what's happening on the ground and what's happening at a national level really working well, then I think we'll have a really positive future for our food system.